Incredible. What do you think so far? What do you think, Del? Being he's the driver, he thinks he has to pay some attention. If he didn't, I'd wonder. Okay, now there's nothing exciting except my elbow getting wet. I couldn't even believe. Whoa! Wow. Whoa, here comes a bridge. Where is the confounded bridge? Is that how it goes? Oh, I've reached to the maximum.
Yeah, the lake does come up here. You can see by the tree line.
Yeah. It's like a snake, isn't it? I wonder if that's how they got that name. Even though this isn't it. Look at that massive rock wall. It's a tyrant of the earth, isn't it? Mass mounds of consequence. No, just kidding.
Look at that, the way of the colors and
yeah,
stuff.
that fucking color.
Gold!
What? Gold?
Kind of gold. It's kind of got a gold color to it.
Shit, yeah. Let's just hope we don't happen upon Wolf Creek.
Yeah, this is a real nice road over here.
Because they might want to kill us. Just kidding. Could you imagine if they killed us? What? Look at that massive rock. That could have killed us right there. Killed by a rock god. There's only one gorilla that's going to come down that mist, and it's now.
Yeah, this is like a fucking super freeway out there.
Fucking A. I can't even believe it's paved. Look at this shit.
Better than our road we live on.
No kidding. No kidding. We like to make the way to hell comfortable. No, it's beautiful. Whoever said hell wasn't beautiful? Who's to say we don't have hell here on earth? Who's to say the devil is not? Me. Herself. What? Come on, Dell. Get it? Give a yell. Give a shout out. He's the driver. I am not. I do not wish to be the nautical navigator of the vessel at this time. I'd rather do this. Take pictures. Wow, that's a fucking, like, behind us, the big white tube, the water, you know, that goes up the mountain. That looks really weird.
They pour that big concrete thing so it wouldn't keep eating away at this mountain, but this road.
Right, right. So it don't cave in on itself. Purple tree! Sounds like purple haze. Hey! That kind of looks like Shaggy Mountain in a way. Wow.
That waterfall up there coming down the mountain.
Wow. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let no memory torture me. Okay. We ain't thinking fucking Nelson. Our tunes have been abstract, fucking eradicated because for the pure, simple capture of the moment, we don't need any distractions, right? So if you're wondering where are the tunes, there it is. That's where we just was. Quit spouting off there, Rig. What is that? That's really creepy. Why didn't we go in there?
Because you couldn't get over there.
Oh my
dude.
god, yes you can.
You couldn't from where we were, dude.
Ooh, that's really, really
Those
weird.
are like gates for the fucking
Let's go.
water. Those are the sandbars, dude.
I want to go in there. Wow. Oh my god, that's a
Fired up.
bridge!
No.
You can go over there with that?
No, it was all fucking barricaded off.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Oh my god, oh my god! No. Why is there a purple bush like every 20 feet? Okay, every quarter.
Restroom.
Oh my god, I already went. But we might want to see Candyman in there. Hey, hey! Chocolate surprise.
This is all like park.
Look at all those beautiful purple fucking trees.
Yep, it's the end of the road, buddy.
Oh, I like it.
Cool. There's turns here anyway. We'll go right follow it.
A river runs through it.
Oh, it's another PG&E thing up here.
We have reached the end of the internet. Bloom, 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 bloom. Now we'll have to resort to our James Bond theory.